Hey there, future graduate students. This is Alfredo Ocegueda, and this is my insider video for the GradTrack program talking about budgeting and banking. I know managing your finances while juggling classes, research, and maybe even a side job can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I have some insider tips to help you adult just like a pro. First up, we need to discuss the budget. I highly encourage you to write down your income, list your expenses, and track where your money goes. It doesn't have to be fancy, but just something that helps you to stay on track. Think of a budget as your roadmap to financial peace of mind. And there are many useful apps that will link to your bank account and help you budget and track expenses. Through them, you can have a clear view of how much money you have left on every category within the budget. Definitely, in my opinion, is worth it. Next, I think one of your first goals should be starting to build an emergency fund because life happens, unexpected car repairs, medical expenses, you name it. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses, and trust me, your future self will thank you. We need to be prepared for a rainy day, especially during graduate school, since the money is very tight. I would recommend this to be placed in a separate high-yield savings account, and don't treat this as an investment. We're not trying to get rich with this. This is just to be safe and for the peace of mind. Then we have debt. Debt is so easily to fall into, but it's very hard to get out of it. So keep your student loans in check if you have any, and avoid borrowing money like the plague. If you are using credit cards, make sure you are paying off your balance each month to avoid paying any sort of interest charges. And if you are already in debt, tackle it with a solid repayment plan. For this, I would highly recommend reading a personal finance book every once in a while, maybe one book a year. Good introductory books on how to manage our money when we are getting started are The Total Money Makeover by the Ramsey, or maybe I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Then we have the automation of your finances. Set up automatic bill payments and savings to avoid missing deadlines and overdrafting your account. This way, you will never miss a due date, and also you will be saving without even thinking about it. Always keep a buffer in your checking account. Believe me, overdraft fees can be a killer, so make sure you have that extra caution so you can avoid those fees and be stress-free. Just get rid of all the stress that comes with them. So you got this. Adulting might seem tough, but with these tips, you will be handling your finances like a pro in no time. Good luck and welcome to grad school.